Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Prezi Go TV, and today we'll be discussing extensively on the human heart. The human heart structure and function. That's what we'll be discussing today. The human heart is a remarkable organ that plays a vital role in our survival. It is approximately the size of a fist, weighing around 300 grams, with females having a slightly lower weight due to their generally smaller body size. The location of the heart. The heart is situated in the thoracic cavity above the diaphragm and between the two lungs. It is located by the rib cage, which provide a safe enclosure for the vital organ. Interestingly, the narrow end of the triangular heart points to the left side, often giving the illusion that the heart is located on the left side of the chest. External structure of the heart. The heart is surrounded by a two-layered tissue membrane called the pericardium. The space between these layers is filled with pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from external pressures, shocks, and friction during heartbeat. This fluid facilitates smooth heart contraction and relaxation. The internal structure of the heart. The heart consists of four chambers, two upper chambers known as auricles. They are divided into the right auricles and the left auricles, and two lower chambers known as ventricles. They are also divided into the right ventricle and the left ventricle. The auricles are thin-walled, while the ventricles are thick-walled, with the left ventricle being the thickest due to its responsibility of pumping blood to the entire body. 1. Auricles. The right auricles receive the oxygenated blood from the body through the superior and inferior vena cava. The left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the left from the lungs via pulmonary vein. This is one of the examples of the internal part of the heart. Secondly is the ventricle. The ventricle the ventricle pumps oxygenated blood for the lungs for oxygenation, while the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the entire body. Blood vessels of the heart. The heart is connected to various blood vessels that plays crucial role in blood circulation. Superior vena cava. The superior vena cava is um, an example of a blood vessels. The superior vena cava brings the oxygenated blood from the upper body parts, which is the neck, head, chest, and arms, to the right auricles. 2. Inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava brings the oxygenated blood from the lower body parts, which are the abdomen and legs, to the right auricle. 3. Pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries the oxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs for oxygenation. 3. Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein brings oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left auricle. 5. Aorta. The aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to supply it to all body parts. 6. Coronary arteries. The coronary artery supplies blood to the heart muscles themselves. Valves. The heart has valves that ensures blood flows in one direction, preventing backflow. One example of the heart valve is the tricuspid valve. It is located between the right auricle and the right auricle and the right auricle. Number two example of the heart valve is a mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve. It is located between the left auricle and the left ventricle. Another example of the heart valve is pulmonary semilunar valve, which makes number three of example of the heart valve. The pulmonary semilunar valve is present at the opening of the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery. Number four example of the heart valve is the aortic semilunar valve, which is located at the origin of the aorta from the left ventricle. Pacemaker tissue. The heart has specialized tissue that regulate heartbeat, and these are: 1. Sinoatrial node, which is the SA node, located at the junction of the superior vena cava with the right auricle. It initiates and maintains myocardial activities. 2 is the atrioventricular node, which is abbreviated as the AV node. It is located near the interatrial septum. It can take over as the pacemaker if the SA node fails. 3. Bundle of HIS. It transmits impulses from the AV node to the ventricle. 5. The Purkinje fibers, which transmit impulses at a fast velocity, enabling coordinated ventricular contraction. The workings of the heart. The heart starts with the contraction of the muscle walls initiated by the SA node. The alternate contraction and relaxation phase continue regularly, pumping blood throughout the body. 1. The oxygenated blood from the body enters the right auricle through the superior and inferior vena cava. 2. The blood then flows into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. 3. The right ventricle contracts, pumping blood into the pulmonary artery through the pulmonary semilunar valve. 4. The blood gets oxygenated into the lungs and returns to the left auricle via pulmonary veins. 5. The blood then flows into the left ventricle through the mitral valve. 6. The left ventricle contracts, pumping oxygenated blood into the aorta through the aortic semilunar valve. The heartbeat and rate. A normal heartbeat lasts around, that means for a normal heartbeat, it lasts about 0.85 seconds, consisting of contraction, which is systole, and relaxation, which is diastole phase. 2. The heartbeat is approximately 7 to 72 times per minute at rest, with variations depending on age, sex, and physical activity. 3. Each heartbeat produces two distinct sound loop due to AV valve closure and dupe due to the semilunar. The heart function and importance. The heart plays a vital role in maintaining lives by pumping blood throughout the body. Its functions include: 1. Oxygenation, delivering oxygen to tissues and organs. 2. Nutrient delivery, it transports nutrients from the digestive system to the cells. 3. Waste removal, removing waste products from cells is also another function of the heart. 5. Regulation, it helps maintain blood pressure and pH balance. The pH is also known as the potential of hydrogen. Okay, guys, today we'll be stopping here. Please, if you do find this video informative and educative, please smash the subscription button, like, and also share this video to family and friends so that they can also learn from this educative video. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.